Onyx Philippines are your cyber hero Donatov Net champions. You know what time it is. Hands in. Congratulations to Onyx Philippines who are currently in Russia, and I think as I speak, posibleng nasa airport na sila pa uwi, but they've managed to win the trophy as they were one of the invited teams to go over to Russia. For Onyx Philippines, despite not making it to the podium, it worked out well for them. Kasi yung Liquid nasa SEA Games. Yung Aurora papunta sa Games of the Future. I wonder why TNC wasn't picked, but if Onyx was and they eventually won the championship, it all worked out in the end para sa Pilipinas. They were one of the two invited teams alongside Evo's Glory na tinalo din nila sa lower bracket. For a team like Onyx Philippines, this was a legit test for them dahil nga wala si Coach Wynot sa kanilang team. So it's Coach Hayes na baka hindi naman nagkakalayo yung coaching style pero may in-insert siya na medyo mga bago-bagong lineups that will kind of test the boys in a completely different mastery. Pero ang pakiramdam ko, ang tunay na panalo dito ay yung mga Russian teams na naipag-compete kontra sa kanila. Specifically Verso Time. I mean, we saw them getting some games off Onyx Philippines and actually defeating them dahil sila ang naglaglag sa Onyx PH sa lower bracket. Sila ang panalo dito because they've managed to pull off a tournament, find the best locals available to compete, and this worked well for them in the end because they finally gauged themselves kung gaano na ba sila kalakas in competing with the others. Kasi 'di ba pag ECA ang lagi nating na-mention ay yung team spirit, yung Virtus Pro pakana-kana every now and then. But there are also other teams na hindi man nakakapasok sa mga international tournaments. They're actually like really good. Panalo din ng Onyx PH dito because they get to travel, they get to compete, they get to showcase what they can do before the Asian Games, they get to adjust with the new coaching staff, and they get money.